Today I'm going to show you a simple welding technique that makes a big difference in strength and appearance. Right here, you can see there's a noticeable gap between these pieces. If we weld this joint as it is, the weld could turn out weak, uneven, or even fail over time. Large gaps make it harder to control the weld pool and can cause poor penetration or burn through. So instead of welding it directly, I'm placing a thin filler rod in the center of the gap. This helps bridge the space and gives the weld metal something solid to tie into. By doing this, we improve fusion on both sides and create a stronger joint. It also helps control the weld bead, making it smoother and more professional looking. Now when we run the bead across the joint, the weld flows evenly. The gap is filled properly, and the final result looks clean, solid, and structurally sound. This small adjustment makes a huge difference, especially in fabrication or repair work where strength really matters. Good welding isn't just about laying a bead. It's about preparation, proper setup, and smart technique. And that's how you turn a difficult gap into a clean, professional weld.